Hey y'all, and welcome back. It is officially summer at my house anyway. I know we haven't had the official first day of summer yet, but in my house it is because my kids are out of school. They just finished this past week. So we are ready for summer. So I decided to go ahead and get all of the spring decor taken down and give the main area of the house a new look for summer. Last year I started on like a lemon theme and I kind of added some stuff to it. I think I need to kind of like change some things around. Even as I decorated, I changed it around. But I'm excited for a change in the main part of the house. That's the one thing I like about changing things up seasonally, is that I can kind of give the living room a new look without spending a ton of money. A lot of the decor items I've picked up were from Hobby Lobby on sale, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Target Dollar Spot, which I love. They've been putting a lot of greenery in there and some glass pieces in there that you can use any time of the year. So I'll try to touch on some of those as I go through. And I did find one thing at Ross. So that will be the big tray that I will be putting on the coffee table. But we'll get into more of that and the prices that I've spent on things as I go through the video.
Isn't this the good life? Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering our faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out there for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Listening to me crime to get a little lost in everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? On and on it goes. Round and round the rodeo. Breathing out air for a minute. Taking my time to begin with. On and on it goes. Swinging down in life, you know. Breathing out air for a minute. Yeah. Hey, would you rather stay right here? Make everything disappear. Keep playing my favorite song. Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beach's sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah.
I see decorating my house in an organization sense. So I kind of see it how I organize. I want things to be aesthetically pleasing. I like the fact that I can change things around. I can reuse things. So when it comes to buying decor pieces, when they're themed, I try to keep them small. And then my larger pieces like greenery, certain pieces of art and things like that, those are things that I really try to think about. Can I use this in multiple ways? So when it came to this tray, even though I got it really inexpensively at Ross for $10, and the same with the faux candle that I spent a decent price on at Target, those are things that I can use any time of the year. I can switch things up. Clear glass pieces. You can really switch those up. You can add any sort of greenery in them any time of the year. So those are the things that I always keep on hand, and then I don't go too overboard with those really themed touches. So even on those, I try to, buy things on sale, like the garland. I got it on sale at Hobby Lobby. A lot of the lemon tree, the lemon picks. There's a lemon birdhouse and a little tiny lemon sign. Those were all from Dollar General. They have really cute seasonal decor, like small pieces, good for those tier trays, good for like the little small shelves. And then pictures and things like that that are kind of themed or that I can mix into themes. I get those from Dollar Tree. And if you don't like the frame, you can either change the frame out or paint the frame. I've done those. And then Target Dollar Spot is coming out with a lot of good greenery, floral picks. They have some really, really nice tropical picks right now and some really fun mauve-y, dusty rose colors mixed with the natural greens, which are really, really pretty. If you're looking for something more neutral and just want to add a small pop of color, like, kind of like a more muted down pink. So when it comes to the theme stuff, like the blue kind of small pieces and the lemons, I kind of keep that stuff small. And then my bigger pieces are always my more neutral pieces, like my greenery that I can kind of use at any time. And most of my greenery, like the long ones, I find at Hobby Lobby. And then my smaller ones, I've actually been really, really lucky. I find those at Dollar General. I have found some really good ones at Dollar Tree. But lately, like I said, my favorite ones have been from Target Dollar Spot. And the max I'm spending for a bunch of, like a little bundle of those, is $5. There's a few things that will always be in my decor. My wood elephant, my candlesticks, my little wood sign, my grandmother's poetry book, and my nanny's glass elephant, and her and my pawpaw's jade glass that actually matches my grand's poetry book. So those I always work into my decor. I really just like seeing those. So I kind of dress them up based on the theme as well. So I just really enjoy just like mixing things together. And normally, I think on some of these areas, I probably change like 4 or 5 different times. So it's just like any organizing project, just trying to find what works best for you. When it comes to decor, I like to keep it as small as possible. And then with my larger statement pieces, I still keep those more neutral, like the large pieces of greenery.
Front porch sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies, you know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather stay right here, make everything disappear? You play my favorite song, put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Everything disappear, lay low in the beach side. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, put your rose-colored glasses on.
This is another staple piece that I have in my decor all the time, which is the home sign. My husband's aunt gifted this to me, I think, a couple of years ago, and all the O's change, so you can change it seasonally. So there's a a few different ones for spring, like a bunny, there's a flower, there's a butterfly that you can do during the summer too. But since I was mixing in the patriotic theme, I decided to use the American flag star and thought that was just perfect. And then I also used some picks. I found some greenery picks actually from Ollie's as well. But I wanted to introduce y'all to a new love of mine, which is this mini vacuum. My husband found it for me for Mother's Day because, yes, I love a good cleaning product for Mother's Day. And I've been obsessed with wanting a little mini vacuum. And he found this one on Amazon. If I can get the link, I'll link it in the description below. So be sure to check that out. But it has some good power for how small it is. And what I really, really liked about this is it can be used for little tiny vacuuming projects like this. It does really good in the little cracks of the couch. You'll see me use that later. But the other thing is when I'm cleaning out drawers and going through clothes, or in the bathroom, like the little plastic drawers and bins, and then also in the fridge, works so, so good. I normally clean on the weekends, and so I was like, well, if I'm going to be knocking things off and wiping all this stuff down anyway, I might as well get things decorated, go ahead and do my normal routine of cleaning the whole downstairs, getting the floors done, giving a good mopping. It's been storming a lot lately. It's been storming a lot lately, so stuff has been tracked in. And then Miss Minnie May, I'm about to take her to the doggy spa to get some, like a little de-shedding treatment because she's shedding a lot lately. So hopefully that will help get her all beautified for the summer as well. But I just wanted to get these floors really, really cleaned, and that way I could really enjoy, and my family can enjoy, the new decor and new look, because it was just me and Everett at home whenever I was doing all of this. So everyone got to see this when it was complete. So that was really nice for them to leave with it all spring and then come home to the vibes of summer.
Knew from the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah. There are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty need. A different side of me, yeah, yeah. You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased. can't be erased. You'll find a different side of me.
So what is your favorite part about your cleaning routine? I think mine is always mopping, especially ever since I got the O-Cedar mop. Not only do I love it because I can get things off walls as I'm mopping and I can get the baseboards clean. It just gets things up so much easier, but also because mopping is normally the last thing I do, so it means I'm done. So I got all of the decor done. You can see I've switched it up multiple times using some older pieces y'all have maybe have seen in some past videos for other seasons, and then bringing in and moving around some things from what it originally started. So I think everything turned out really nice. I changed out the mantle too, which really did give it a much better look. There's still some things I kind of want to change around. I just haven't decided exactly how I want to do it yet. But overall, I think everything looks very fresh, very crisp, which is something that I really, really like for summer, especially with the lemon theme. So those pops of red, white, and blue mixed in here. The yellow from the lemons, a little added green from the limes, the blue picks, the blue ginger jars on this other opposite wall shelf that y'all will see. Just everything just came together. It's much more simple than the spring decor. And the colors are so much more toned down. So really, really enjoyed putting this together. Y'all let me know what you think. If there's anything that you see that you're like, maybe I would switch it around, totally leave it in the comments because I'm always up for suggestions in the decorating game. But I will say a lot of the stuff from Dollar General went from $1 to $8.50. All the things that I found from Target was from Target Dollar Spot, including the hanging greenery, clear jars, and then the patriotic wood pieces. Those all came there, maxed $5 spent. And then all the other greenery I already had from Hobby Lobby, lemons and limes from Hobby Lobby. And we talked about the tray, but I think, on a small budget, I think I probably this year added in maybe $40 more of decor with everything, which is probably a little bit more than I normally would, but I'm slowly adding to my inventory. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. And I will see y'all on the next one. As always, stay organically you.